Me back at 310-777-0352. Thanks for listening. Look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon. Hey, do not make another cold call until you watch the rest of this video. All right, so I'm going to tell you a little story. Ready for a little story? Okay, here we go. Say instead of a lacrosse ball, this was actually an actual orange, like the fruit that you eat. Okay, if I hand you this orange, and you squeeze the orange, what comes out? You're thinking, orange juice, silly. Of course orange juice comes out of an orange when you squeeze an orange. But here's the question. What comes out of you when you get squeezed? Is it sweet and juicy like an orange? Or is it bitter like a lemon? You're out there making cold calls all day long, every single day. You're getting beat up. You're getting squeezed. What's coming out of you? So before you make another one, ask yourself, if I get squeezed on this call, what's coming out of me? Are you coming into this call from a place of service, from a place of love, from a place of devotion to you, your product, your service, your goals, your dreams? Or are you going to be a lemon? And if your mind is not right, and you need help getting your mind right, then I've got a place for you to go right here. Cardone University. If you have not trained on this program, if you have not seen what this can do for you in terms of, number one, getting your mind right so you can make those calls. Number two, knowing exactly what to say when the guy picks up the phone. And then number three, knowing how to handle every squeeze they're going to give you so that your responses are sweet and juicy and not bitter and nasty. I got 7 days free access to this program with your name on it. Now, if you're a sales manager and you're watching this and you got guys that are on the phone every single day, how do you make sure that every one of your salespeople are nice and sweet when they get on the phone? Call me at 310-777-0352, and in less than 5 minutes, I will show you a solution that can increase your sales 15 to 30% in 90 days, usually less.